A few years ago, I was able to make something called hot ice, which would instantly freeze when it was poured out, and I was able to grow this weird tower thing. What I didn't show in that video, though, was that it could also crystallize when something was placed into it, which I thought was really cool, and since then, I've been wanting to scale it up. Specifically, this is because I really wanted to be able to put my entire hand into it, and, well, I've finally decided to try this. So, I quickly whipped together an extremely large batch of the hot ice, which is just a concentrated solution of something called sodium acetate, and when it was ready, I was honestly a bit nervous. This is because as the sodium acetate crystallizes, it will release a lot of heat, and I was kind of worried that this could burn my hand. Despite that, though, I just went for it, and immediately a bunch of crystals started forming on my fingers, and I could feel everything quickly getting hotter and hotter. However, thankfully, it stopped heating up just before it started hurting, and eventually, my entire hand was fully encased in a huge block of hot sodium acetate, which honestly felt kind of nice. What was also really nice was that my hand was actually relatively easy to take out, and what I think is really cool is that with just a bit of heating, this entire solution can be regenerated. I can then put my hand in again, and I can do this over and over, and in my opinion, what makes this even more fun is that it seems to be different every time.